MoneyView loan processing fee discount. Don't miss out. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that can save you money when applying for a personal loan with MoneyView, the processing fee discount. Who gets the discount? This one's for you first timers. If you haven't signed up for MoneyView yet, you can snag a guaranteed discount on your processing fee. That's right, you can save money right off the bat. But here's the catch. There are specific guidelines you need to follow to get this discount. Don't worry, we'll break it all down in this video. Make sure you follow MoneyView's instructions carefully to ensure you qualify for the processing fee discount offer. Beyond the promo code. Just using a MoneyView processing fee promo code won't automatically grant you the discount. This video will guide you through the entire process according to MoneyView's recommendations. Referral code myth. Here's a bonus tip. MoneyView referral codes don't expire. So, you don't need to worry about checking if the code you find is still valid. The key to savings. Remember, to get the processing fee discount, you need to use the MoneyView referral link provided in the comment section before entering the processing fee promo code. This is especially important if you've already downloaded the app directly from the App Store. Using the referral link ensures you qualify for the discount. Already installed the app? If you are a new user who downloaded the app directly and haven't signed up yet, you'll need to uninstall the app first. Then, use the referral link in the comments to reinstall MoneyView. This will activate the discount eligibility. The takeaway. Ready to save on your MoneyView loan processing fee? Check the comments below for the referral link and promo code. Don't forget, follow the steps in this video to maximize your savings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips. Remember, the referral link and promo code are both in the comments below.